DIYs by Dar. Let's upcycle some thrifted canvases. I have some primer from Rust-Oleum, and I am going to cover up these three 11 by 11 prints. I did have to put 4 coats on them to get that little bunny scene to kind of disappear before I could go on. Now I have some Dixie Belle chalk paints, 3 of them here. I have mermaid tail. I'm going to put that all along the outside of the frames and then flip them over and finish the inside with the mermaid tail and some mint julep. So let's go ahead and see how I got this blended in. Enjoy the music. There we go. I have all 3 completed. Now I am ready for my fishbone stencils and some drop cloth paint by Dixie Belle, which is a chalk paint. Now with this one, I kind of had to go along the lines back and forth to get that covered. And there's my first fish. And there's my second fish. My third fish. Oh, and another look at the big bad boy. I love him. Now I have a screen stencil. They're flexible and sticky on one side. And you really don't have to worry about bleed through with these. But you do have to really kind of press firmly. And I kind of just go in a swirly twirly method. And I just have some gold acrylic paint to put on some underwater sea, I don't know, foliage? Is that what you call it? I don't know. So we'll get that in place on all 3. Now I have some acrylic medium, white acrylic paint, a stencil, and a small brush. My files became corrupted and I could not give a complete show on this, but some real light round circles from that stencil. Then on each side, kind of a little bit across from each other, a little dash of pink. Then we're going to go ahead and get a little dash of blue. Then our last dash of color is going to be yellow. And if you want to put a little green in there somewhere, you can. But somewhat kind of just put them across from each other on each one of the bubbles on the inside. Now I used a Posca pen to outline my fish, which that file was corrupt. The bubbles, you're going to put 2 nice white streaks and then just some spots. And if you can, make just like a little star. My stars weren't coming out too good because these bubbles were really tiny. So that's going to sum up my bubbles, and I think they're pretty cool. I like them. I need to spray this with some matte clear Rust-Oleum spray. I need to get all along the outside, along the edge, and then all across the top to seal these up because it is chalk paint. Remember what this looked like when I started? And here they are now. I love them. Now I'm participating in a competition and I'm going to give you a little video here. I have made the first cut, the top 20 in my group for the People's Artist Competition, which is presented by Johnny Depp. Now, if you come to vote for me, Go all the way to the bottom of my profile page and you'll see the voting links there. And you can vote one time every 24 hours for one artist only. You need to have a Facebook account to verify your votes. I have 4 more rounds to get through to get to the quarterfinals. The Art of Elysium, Grade A nonprofit organization. They are fantastic. You can vote for me, Darlene Petulski, diys-by-dar at peoplesartist.org 2026. Darlene Petulski. Here's some of my pieces. Thank you so much for your support and your vote. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a like. Subscribe to me here on YouTube. And if you get a chance, check out my profile. I will leave the link in my description. And give me a vote. It'll give me a chance to showcase my pieces a bit more as an artist, and it would be really exciting to go out there to LA and be part of the Art of Elysium gallery and have a spread in their magazine. Thank you ahead of time and give me a vote.